All right, everybody, here is your, hold on. All right, guys, here is your core bites number 67. There are 60 students going on boat rides. Each boat holds 12 students. How many boats are needed? Okay, so if you divide 60, because there's 60 students in all, divide that by 12 because 12 kids can get on each boat at one time. So if you say, okay, 12 times what gives us 60? 12 times 5 actually gives you 60. 60 minus 60 is 0, so your answer would be 5 boats. You would have to have 5 boats for this adventure. 5 boats. For number 2, complete it. 5,000 equals how many hundredths? So the answer for that would be 50 hundredths. And here's why. Because if you have 5,000 and if you have 50 hundredths, that gives you the same thing, 5,000. For the next one, you have a fraction. So you've got 7 times 1 over 5. So the way you do it is you take the whole number, put a 1, and then just multiply across the numerator and the denominator. So you get 7 times 1 is 7. 1 times 5 is 5. Then you have to divide them to get a mixed number because this is what we call an improper fraction. So if you divide 7 by 5, you put the numerator on the inside. So you say, okay, 5 times what would give us close to 7, but not over. So you say 1, and then 5 times 1 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So that would be your remainder. So your answer would be 1 2/5 as a fraction. Number 4. A 6-pack of colas costs $3. What is the cost of one cola? All right, so if you've got $3, you've got 6 cans of Coca-Cola, okay? You're dividing to see how much each can is. So if you know your multiplication, and because this is a decimal, you have to bring your decimal up because we're dealing with dollars and cents and change, right? So you know 6 times 5 is 30. Bring down your 0. 6 times what is 0? 0. 6 times 0 is 0. So your answer is 50 cents a can because 50-50, that's $1. 50-50, another dollar. 50-50, another dollar. So that's $3, which is what you had to begin with, right? And then for your last one, what angle is represented by the front of the tent? So I'm going to see if I can make it a little bit darker for you so you can see it. It's right here. So this angle right here, that would be an obtuse angle because it's more than 90 degrees, which is, a right angle. And it's not less than, because that would be acute. So, but it is less than 180, which would be a straight line. Okay? All right, guys, make your changes.